Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to I'll explain all the follow modes on your gimbal. Okay, so I have this gimbal, the Osmo Mobile 8P, and it has different modes. I'll set it vertically for now, and then I should be able to switch between modes. I think so. I never remember if... Okay, now I know why there weren't all the modes. So if tracking is enabled, if the green icon lights up sometimes, this green icon, then it's basically tracking, so only two modes can be set. So I'll disable tracking for now. And let's see those modes. So the first one is PTF, which means pan and tilt follow. So it both pans and tilts. The pan is basically how it rotates with this axis. So it rotates left and right. And tilt is moving up or down, like so. So these are the two modes, left to right and up and down. But it keeps the horizon straight. It always keeps the horizon straight in PTF mode. Now, pan follow, which is PF, it doesn't move up or down. You can adjust it with the joystick, but as you move your gimbal, it will keep the tilt the same, so it won't move up and down. It'll only move left or right as you actually move it. Well, I'm moving it quite a lot now, and it's kind of getting crazy. But yeah, that's the thing here. No, don't do it. Okay. Now I'll disable tracking. The next mode is FPV. It's pan, tilt, and roll follow. So as I roll it, it'll also rotate. And so it doesn't keep the horizon straight. And that's the mode here. And then the SpinShot, which basically its main purpose is for me to be able to use the joystick left or right to rotate it like that, which in other modes would be moving left or right instead of rotating. And here it's spinning like so. Now, one more thing is that you can switch between modes by pressing on the power button once. Now I'm in PTF, now I'm in PF, now FPV, and SpinShot. And one last thing is that when you press and hold on this button, on the trigger on the back, it's locked, so it doesn't follow the handle movements. You can see I'm holding the button now. It shows gimbal locked, and it stays like that. When I release it, it's back to the normal mode. I can also lock it like for a longer time by pressing and holding, then tapping. Tap to keep locked. Then I can release it, and it stays locked until I tap to unlock. And these are all the modes. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.